We're celebrating 40 years of building something great at Esch Construction Supply. When I was young, I wanted to be a builder. And when my aunt and uncle, my Uncle Mike and Aunt Helen, presented an opportunity to own Esch Construction Supply, I jumped at it. It's been really fun. It's been really exciting.
I just wanted to say thank you first and foremost to Uncle Mike. You know, you're here in spirit, and everything that you did to help create Esch Construction Supply, to establish relationships and to create an excitement in Dan to continue growing Esch Construction Supply. And then truly I am just so grateful for all of our employees and our customers who make every day possible. I really am proud to celebrate growth. And I look back to when I first met Dan, and he was just purchasing Esch Construction Supply from his uncle, and he had taught Dan how to be a sales rep, and Dan was excited about owning this and having it become his and growing it.
And I think about the early leaders. Certainly my bride, Elizabeth, who's been an amazing support for every year and every effort that we've made. But I think about the early leaders of Jack Tuckner and Mike Walrath and Dan Brown, and really helping us take this business from the foundation to the next level. I'm grateful for really all of our leaders. Jess Krauss, who started as an accounting clerk and now runs our business as a general manager and does a terrific job. I'm grateful for Mandy Bastier and the way that she's built our marketing department. I'm grateful for James Nelson and the way he has really helped build a great culture and developed a wonderful sales team. I'm grateful for Jenna Leiden, who oversees our store managers and really does a fantastic job making sure that she's always caring about her people and developing her people.
When I started 19 years ago, we had just a small little office. We've grown into our current place in Phelan. When we started, it was 5 or 6 of us, and now we're a better part of 30 or better. So yeah, a lot of growth, a lot of changes over the years.
I started in the warehouse. I took a job making deliveries and immediately fell in love with the construction industry, with this team here. We've opened up 3 new stores since I've been here. I've been part of that on the operations side.
So our first store we opened in 2005, 21 years into our business. We began to develop a great team of people inside our store to serve our customers. In 2015, we decided to take that store concept to Milwaukee, and this was really exciting. I think about leadership from guys like Jake Ginther that have been there from day one and have really built a great store, a great presence. In 2018, we opened up in Denver, Colorado, and we're serving that market with great leadership from Bo Jaber. And in 2020, we decided to open up in Illinois and serve the Chicagoland market. And so that's been a really fun challenge with a great team.
So one of the things that had always stood out to me about Esch Construction Supply is this family-like atmosphere that has developed between customers and coworkers alike. You know, Esch is a small family-owned business, and you can walk into our storefront on any given day and expect to see our people smiling and having fun.
Something that I've loved about Esch from the start has been the way that we get involved in the industry and our community. We stay active by hosting open houses to show our appreciation to our customers, and by attending association events such as social hours, trap shoots, and golf outings.
Service team, growth, and solutions are our core values, and they really boil down to the essence of who we are and what we are here at Esch.
I'm most proud of the fact that Dan's been doing this for 40 years, man. It's so cool that we're celebrating 40 years in this industry.
I think that's a big reason why there's so many people that have either been working with or working for Esch for a decade plus. Our goal is to just get the job done right, and our customers trust us to do that, and that's what I love about working for Esch Construction Supply.
It's been an amazing journey, and I'm really most proud of our people and our teams of people that work really hard and work really well together.
We really are surrounded by a great group of people, and I'm grateful for that. So thank you, and let's celebrate 40 years.